Morning students, welcomes you to Gokuldas Public School online classes. Today I am going to teach you some exercise without equipments. You can get a good physique at your home. So there is a 8 exercise for a basic workout, for a good workout, for a good physique. So we will start 8 exercise. So I will show you the 8 exercise. You will do better at your home workout. There is a 8 exercise. In between 8 exercise there will be a 15 seconds rest we will take for our body, and we have to perform all the 8 exercise for the 30 seconds. So let will this start. Okay, so I will show you a first exercise. Firstly we will do a warm up for a great day, starting a great day. So we will do a firstly start at a warm up with the jumping jacks. So you have to jump, start slow jump, sideward. You can see you have to keep your hands here. Star jump, some sideward exercises. Press your waist, 2 touches. Same as you will do 2 touches sideward. You have to look aside as possible as you, side to side. Okay, Shane. So just after warm up, we will start the workout of bunch of 8 exercises. Every exercise we will perform for 30 seconds, and after exercise we will take a rest for 15 seconds. So I will perform your first exercise, push-ups. This exercise, this workout for girls and for boys, both can do easily. So we will start push-ups. So you have to set your goal like this, keep your body like this, and start push-ups for 30 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So if the girls, if they are not able to perform like this, you can keep your knees out in the ground, keep your body like this. You can do same as like this also. You can perform push-ups for the girls. It is called bent knee push-ups. So next exercise, before the next exercise we will take a rest for a 15 seconds. In this exercise you have to perform same as your chest workout. Pause. Okay, so we will start next. Just after 15 seconds rest, we will start the next exercise. It is called a back extension. You can use the towel also and the back extension exercise. So we will keep our body like this. Then you can use the towel and extend your back up. I'll show you this exercise from the front. See, extend your back and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will you have to perform from 30 seconds. Then after taking a so after 15 second rest, we will start the next exercise. It is a diamond push-ups. By the diamond push-ups, you have to make a straight of your shoulders and your chest. So we'll start how to perform a diamond push-ups. Take your stance, make a diamond by your hands, just close to the grip. Keep your body straight from the back and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing, if girls want to perform this, you can bend knee diamond push-ups. What do you mean by bend knee diamond push-ups? Same as push-ups like we will perform. Make a diamond grip. Keep your legs like this and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just after the exercise, again we will take a rest. From a 15 second, take a deep breath and take a rest. Shake your hands, shake your legs. Okay, so just after 15 seconds, we will start next exercise, squats. So you have to perform for squats. Keep your legs width apart, shoulder level. You have to open your legs. Keep your hands in front of your chest. Palm should be ground side, and you have to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just you have to shake your legs. Same exercise you have to perform 30 seconds, then 10-second rest. Take a deep breath. Inhale with nose, exhale with mouth. Shake your body, shake your hands, shake your legs. Just after that, we will start. Get ready for next exercise, calf raise. So just after rest, next exercise. Raise your calf and you have to stand on your toes. Okay, see, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check sideward also. 6, 7, backside. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So with calf raise, you have to make a strength of your calves. So again, you have to taking a rest for 10 seconds. Take a deep breath, shake your hands, shake your legs. Just you have to walk little bit. Okay. Just after the 10-second rest, we will start the next exercise, crunches. So how to perform a crunches? You are laying down and your mat and start crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same exercise you have to perform 10 seconds. Then take a rest. Rest, shake your shoulders, arms, shake your leg. Take a deep breath. Inhale with nose, exhale with mouth for a best relaxation. Then again we will start next exercise, our 7th exercise. You have to perform this exercise 30 seconds of each exercise. So we will start running planks. A simple plank, I will show you. A simple plank is like this. It is good for our abdominal exercises. So you have to start running planks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just after the running peaks, again you have to take a rest, take a deep breath, inhale with nose, exhale with mouth, 10 seconds rest, and definitely this workout will beneficial for you in these days at your home. So our last exercise in the bunch of this 8 exercise, we'll start burpees jump. So I'll show you the burpees jump, how to do this. Burpees jumps, you have to start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as sideward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then again 10-second rest. Take a deep breath. Inhale with nose. Deep breath. It will good for your completely rest and relaxation. Shake your hands, rotate your arms, shake your legs. So this exercises definitely it will good workout for your at home, and by this you can get a good physique and good immune system definitely. And in the last, just you have to drink more and more water. Thank you. Have a nice day.